Hello, this is Jason from iJDMTOY, here to give a wiring guide for our newly released smoked lens switchback LED side mirror lights for the Ford Superduty trucks. This is a cool LED system that upgrades your standard mirror lights into a much brighter, visible running light and turn signals as you make your turns. This is a highly polar sensitive product, so there are many ways to achieve improper functionality. Let's start with how to properly wire the switchback LED side mirror lights. There are two sets of plugs to work with. The first set powers the turn signal light and is marked by a black wire and blue wire. The second set powers the running lights and is marked by a red wire and a black wire. Black wires get the ground connection, while red and blue wires get the positive connection. When properly connected, the LED assembly will shine white. When you engage your turn signals, the entire light assembly will flash amber yellow until you complete the turn. Here's one way to improperly wire the mirror lights. While the running light wire is properly connected, the turn signal wire is flipped. As a result, only the top light flashes amber yellow. Another way is connecting the turn signal wire correctly, but flipping the running light wire. What happens is the amber yellow light is barely lit and only the top light flashes amber yellow. The last way is both wires are flipped. Here only the bottom light shines amber yellow, while the switchback function only works on the top light.
Boss.
You can pause the video here for a summary of this wiring guide. Be sure to pay close attention to how you connect the wires so you can fully enjoy the switchback function of the Ford Superduty LED side marker lights.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.